Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video, I'll show you how to make a new Rangoli or pattern. So for this, I'm using art gel pen in golden color. So I'm going to use 7 dots. They are equally distant. 2, 3, 4, 7. So this way also I'm going to put 7 dots. So each dot is below the other one. So I have put 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. So this way 7. So 3 more I have to put. 3 more rows of dots. So let us start making the pattern or Rangoli. So I go to this corner. So in this video I'll show you the pattern, not connecting the dots but around the dots. So let us start like this, go down like this. Don't worry if you have to lift the pen sometimes, it's okay. So I have come to the beginning. So now I'm going to use these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and go around those dots like this. Same I had to continue. I picked 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that I had to continue with this portion and the last one. So like this you will get 2 more, totally 1, 2, 3. So let's do it again. Let us go to the middle and put a circle on the remaining dots. Middle means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So middle of those. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching.